Hi there. So, this is not exactly a tip or a trick, but just a reminder about children's attention span. I see a lot of teachers around requiring very young learners and young learners to sit still for very long periods of time. But this is not only this is wrong, but it's impossible you'll get anything good out of it. A child attention span is approximately their age in minutes plus 5 minutes. This means that a 3-year-old has an attention span of roughly 3 minutes plus 5, 8 minutes, and a 5-year-old has an attention span of maximum 10 minutes. Now, this is extremely important for us when we prepare activities or even storytelling in order to change our expectations and adapt our expectations to the children. Hope it helps.